Hello, fantastic English learners. Welcome back to Vibe English Podcast, your go-to place for speaking English with confidence and joy. I'm Sarah, and I'm thrilled you're here for day 3 of our 5-day English speaking challenge. You crushed 30 sentences yesterday. Amazing work. Today, we're taking it up a notch with 30 new sentences to help you sound even more natural. We're using shadowing, the fun way to mimic native speakers. You listen to my sentence, then repeat it, copying my pronunciation, rhythm, and tone, like singing along to English. Shadowing helps you say words clearly, flow naturally, feel bold when speaking, hear word connections. Today's sentences are about social interactions, perfect for chatting with friends or colleagues. I'll say each one clearly. Pause for you to repeat, and subtitles will highlight key words. They're your learning buddies. Ready for day 3? Let's jump in. Find a quiet spot to speak out loud. Listen to my sentence, focusing on tone. Repeat after the pause, mimicking my voice. Watch subtitles. Highlighted words show stress. Enjoy and try each sentence twice if you want. We'll do 30 sentences to challenge you. Let's get started. 1. I meet new friends. I meet new friends. I meet new friends. 2. I smile at people. I smile at people. I smile at people. 3. I ask good questions. I ask good questions. I ask good questions. 4. I share my ideas. I share my ideas. I share my ideas. 5. I talk with ease. I talk with ease. I talk with ease. 6. I listen to others. I listen to others. I listen to others. 7. I enjoy group chats. I enjoy group chats. I enjoy group chats. 8. I say hello kindly. I say hello kindly. I say hello kindly. 9. I feel calm always. I feel calm always. I feel calm always. 10. I connect with people. I connect with people. I connect with people. Great job. 11. I greet my neighbors daily. I greet my neighbors daily. I greet my neighbors daily. 12. I call my best friend. I call my best friend. I call my best friend. 13. I join fun conversations. I join fun conversations. I join fun conversations. 14. I visit a new cafe. I visit a new cafe. I visit a new cafe. 15. I help my colleagues. I help my colleagues. I help my colleagues. 16. I laugh with my team. I laugh with my team. I laugh with my team. 17. I share a funny story. I share a funny story. I share a funny story. 18. I plan a group outing. I plan a group outing. I plan a group outing. 19. I meet people online. I meet people online. I meet people online. 20. I enjoy talking nightly. I enjoy talking nightly. I enjoy talking nightly. You're shining. Now longer sentences to boost fluency. 21. I introduce myself with confidence. I introduce myself with confidence. I introduce myself with confidence. 22. I enjoy meeting people at events. I enjoy meeting people at events. I enjoy meeting people at events. 23. I feel relaxed when I speak. I feel relaxed when I speak. I feel relaxed when I speak. 24. I understand my friends better now. I understand my friends better now. I understand my friends better now. 25. I ask questions to learn more. I ask questions to learn more. I ask questions to learn more. 26. I talk about my favorite hobbies. I talk about my favorite hobbies. I talk about my favorite hobbies. 27. I am happy connecting with others. I am happy connecting with others. I am happy connecting with others. 28. I practice speaking every chance I get. I practice speaking every chance I get. I practice speaking every chance I get. 29. I share my thoughts without fear. I share my thoughts without fear. I share my thoughts without fear. 30. I am excited for new conversations. I am excited for new conversations. I am excited for new conversations. Repeat tomorrow. Practice these sentences again for smoothness. Stay positive. Mistakes are progress. Keep smiling. Interactive fun. Pause and say sentence 27. I am happy connecting with others. 3 times to a mirror. How does it feel? Share in the comments. Also, tell us, who's one person you'd love to talk to in English? I'll reply to cheer you on. You've conquered day 3 of our 5-day English speaking challenge. These 30 sentences are making you a stronger, more natural speaker. Shadowing is your bridge to confident conversations, whether with friends, coworkers, or new people. Every word you practice brings you closer to your goals. Hard work always pays off, and you're proving it. Join me tomorrow for day 4 with 30 fresh sentences. Subscribe, hit the bell, and comment your favorite sentence. Let's grow our Vibe English podcast community. Keep practicing, keep shining, and see you tomorrow.